This is Rich, Gator Pit, Texas Custom Barbecue Pits. I want to make everyone aware that we offer financing for our cookers. You go to our homepage at gatorpit.net, you click on financing, and you have financing available, individual or business. We offer both. A lot of pit builders only offer business financial or commercial financing. We offer both individual and business or commercial financing. You can read the little disclaimer down here on the website, and then you can scroll down and you have individual financing through Variant Financial. You can go and scroll through that application right there online. Very easy to do. Click the accept button, and then you can go through the application, first name, last name, your address, just basic information, years at current residence, rent or own, etc., phone numbers. Are you a U.S. citizen? Are you a resident alien? Employment status, your business name, occupation, time at job, and then your contact information, address or email address, and phone numbers. You don't have to provide a photo ID or any of that. I don't believe, just for the application. That will be provided or required to be provided should you get approved, and then they verify your identity with those documents. But all that's done through DocuSign, etc., all encrypted, all safe. And then you click next, and then that's going to bring up the actual application and then submit it, right? If you're a business, you can also use the individual financing through Variant if you're a business as well. But we offer business only financing, which is right here through Approved Financial. You click on the link there, and it's going to bring you to their website. Obviously, the Gator Pit logo is there. We're approved through Approved to finance our cookers, and then you go to continue application, or you can go to a finance calculator and you can type in the amount here that you want. Let's just say you want $5,000, and it's going to tell you what your payments are on that $5,000 for 60 months, right? 12 hours, or you can go 48 months. You get your equipment for as low as 15 a month, etc., right? You can go 12 months here. So just enter your amount. Again, if you want 10,000, then you're looking at a 12-month payout of $971, or you can go 60 months, 5 years at $233. That's not bad rates, man. Pretty simple. You can go back to our website, finance page, but all that's done within just a matter of a couple of minutes. That's how fast these applications are through our website. On the business end, you can finance up to $15K. On the individual end, I believe it only goes up to $10K. They will consider over those amounts based on your history, being your credit history. So it's not that you can't get more, but they will do a real quick approval or decline on the 10,000 through Variant or the 15,000 through Approved Financial. And these are major lenders, guys. These aren't rinky-dink lenders. These are major lenders. Look them up. You can look them up just by going to their website when you go through my application. So that's how easy it is to apply for financing on our website. What I suggest you do is you go to my store, and let's say you're looking for a smoker, and let's just use the Party Gator, my biggest selling cooker right here. We've got the Party Gator right now on our website underneath the offset smokers and grills, and it's $3,095. You've got options down here that you can select. You want tuning plates, you select yes. If you don't want the ball valve, you select no thanks, and just continue on down the list. The options that I put here are the most popular options that customers have ordered or wanted over 30 years in business. That's what you're going to see here as a checklist or selection option list. You can even make that pellet cooker, make it a pellet cooker. You can select hybrid and make it a pellet cooker. Now you got an offset and pellet all in one cooker. And it totals it up, and you can go to add cart, or you can go to buy now. Buy now is going to bring you through the process of actually making that purchase, or you can add cart and continue shopping and select other options or other features that you may want or products that you may want to add to your shopping cart, right? And then you go through the buy now process. Every one of these pages also has the link to our financing. So every pit model that you see, like in this Party Gator, for example, through the down at the bottom when you scroll, it has a click here. If you click that, that brings you right to the finance page. Our website is easy to navigate. It's not confusing. It's very simple. We like it simple. Down below here on the web page for the Party Gator, you have all your descriptions of what it is, size, great size, and all that. There's reviews down there as well. Got great 5-star reviews for that one particular model. Just a great cooker, and again, it's our biggest seller. It's our most popular cooker for 30 years running, since around 1991 when I started the company. And then there's other areas that you can go to. The store has categories. We got our value line right now. A value line, you can't beat this deal, man. Look at this, value line smoker 2032 or the 2040. You can select which one you want, but the 2032 starts at $15.99. That is crazy. $15.99 is normally starts at $18.99.95. I got it on sale for $395 off, 16% savings. That is crazy. And you can select what features you want to customize it to that you may like. And of course, then it has the description down there as well. And it's got a 5-star review as well. All our cookers have 5-star reviews. I don't think any of them have anything less. But that's pretty cool. And again, it's very simple to purchase online, very easy to apply for financing online. Just check our website out. You got to start at gatorpit.net. We've got a line of accessories. Click on barbecue accessories and tools, etc., and it's going to pull up our commercial Gator Pit gauges, our charcoal chimneys, ash rake fire pokers, our awesome burger press and bacon presses, and then you can order custom fire grates here based on the size of your cooker. That's your 24 size fire grates, your 20 inch size fire grates. You can buy ball valves. We even have Barbecue Guru adapters that we fabricate in-house. We have wood storage racks that you can buy. That's on sale for $4.95. We got charcoal baskets here. They're on sale for $269.99 with our T-plates. Gator Pit was, I think, the first that ever came. No, actually, we were the first. There were T-plates out there, but they weren't double-walled. Gator Pit was the one who came up with the double-walled T-plates. Everybody else after that started copying our designs. But if you're building a pit, you can order some spring handles with or without the 1/2-inch rod in there. They're weldable. You can buy some gloves, cooking gloves. You can buy casters for a pit that you're building, or replacement casters. And look at this, you can even get a smoke collector. You can purchase a smoke collector online. We'll ship it to you. It's $325 for the smoke collector, and we will ship it to you. And you're just gonna have to weld it to the sidewall of your pit, and you're done. Pretty cool right there. We got them for 20 and 24s. You just select the size you want. You can select some options in there if you want to add something as well. But yeah, if you're building your own pit and you don't know how to do a smoke collector, or you just want to make it simple and easy as a weld on, just order from Gator Pit. You can do it. We also rent pits. We're one of very few in the Houston area that actually rent pits. This is the one that we rent. It's a based off our Falcon Mobile. It's a good sized cooker. It's got 6 sliding meat racks, 2 in each door. It's 7 feet long in the main chamber. It'll hold a lot of meat. You got your rental rates on there, all your rental information, daily rentals, weekend rentals, and daily rentals. We have cooking woods available as well for those that want to rent, just want to be a one-stop shop. We can get all that stuff for you right here and have it ready to go for you. And it tells you how many briskets and it can hold, chickens, pork butts, etc. And it gives you your DIMs on the pit itself and the trailer. It's an easy trailer to hook up and tow with. All of our cookers are pressure sprayed out and burned and reseasoned prior to customers picking them up. So you know you're gonna get the cleanest rental barbecue pit probably in the nation. I don't know of anybody that goes through what we go through. There's a video of how we clean these cookers out and sanitize them before you pick them up, the customer. And they're done like the day before you pick up, so they're really clean when you pick them up. And we got our rental restrictions, like you can't take it out of the state of Texas. Some general stuff in there. There is a rental agreement that you sign. If you want to rent, just call me, Rich, 713-896-0144, or shoot me an email, info@gatorpit.net. That contact information is on our website under Contact Us, the top right side of the page, and you can just contact us, fill it out right there, or you can scroll down and just give me a call. There's my toll-free numbers and my direct lines and my email all right here. We make it very, very simple. there's a map that shows you where our location is. And then here's the links down here at the bottom of our pages on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, X, and YouTube channels. We have over 700 videos on our YouTube channel. That's just in addition to YouTube, our videos on all our other social media sites as well. So we probably got over 1,000 plus videos of custom cookers that we've done over the years that you can go check them out. What else we got here, guys? Custom gallery, that's pretty badass. Check out our custom gallery. Man, we've got all kinds of stuff. You probably see cookers in here that you'd be like, wow, I've never seen anything like that before. I mean, massive Santa Maria style cooker grills that also function as smokers. Just badass, man. This you won't find anywhere. We built a bunch of these for a huge worldwide company that put these at their facilities, their manufacturing facilities. And of course we have our cooking classes. Let me mention that as well. We have one coming up March 29th, 2025. It's a full one-day Saturday. And we teach pretty much everything: ribs, brisket, chickens, desserts, sides, you name it. We do a lot of food in one-day class, full 8-hour day. And that's me right there. One of the pit masters. Kirk Drutt is the other pit master. We've been doing cooking classes for, oh shoot, man, I'm gonna say probably at least 15 years with a 100% satisfaction rate over those 15 plus years. Yep, that's me and 2 Chainz right here. I did a TV show with 2 Chainz. For those that don't know or haven't followed me, where's he at? Come on, 2 Chainz, pull up. I don't know why it's not pulling up. I have to check out and find out what that's about. But there's me and him right there. We did a TV show on Vice, there we go, Most Expensivest, and he invited us out there to meet with him and do a show with him and bring one of our custom cookers. That's Kevin Riley, CRC Barbecue, right here. Cool dude, good friend of mine. And there, obviously, there's 2 Chainz, and he loved the food we cooked for him, man. Pretty awesome. But we've done a lot of big, major custom cookers that you won't see probably with any other builder. I mean, this is 33 feet long, 9.5 feet tall. It weighs 12,000 pounds. It's a massive cooker. We've built several of those. One went to the U.S. Navy in New Orleans. We just built so much stuff over the years. Here's one we did for King Aerospace. It actually smokes out to 4 inches on the wings. That's a 6.5 foot wingspan. This Boeing 747 smokestack was massive. It doesn't look it, but it's really big. And that's King Aerospace that ordered that. And these pits like this one, this is in Norway. We ship pits all over the world. This one went to Russia, Moscow actually, in Russia. And there's food picks, and we do custom artwork with our CNC plasma table. We can pretty much cut anything anybody wants. And back to our line of rubs. We have a whole line of rubs for any kind of dish, any kind of meat that you want to cook. It's not just barbecue. I should call it seasonings as opposed to rubs, because it can be used on anything. And you know, obviously we have these custom designed cookers. If you have a design that you want to get us to quote it, just give me a call, 713-896-0144. I'll be happy to quote pretty much anything for you. But check out our cooking class, man. It's a pretty cool class. This one actually went to, that's a double-doored offset smoker gas fired. It actually went to Busan, Korea, South Korea. I do a lot of business over in South Korea. This is a mobile cooker. That's our Captivator on our website. It's a 24x60, and it holds full-size foil pans with no problem, as you can see. It's a good cooker for small catering or just private use. Cool stuff, man. Here's a little Bandit mobile that's on our website. We've been building this one for close to 30 years. It's one of the first mobiles that we came out with, and it's fired up. You don't see it leaking smoke anywhere. It is a really nice small mobile cooker, just to haul around for tailgating and whatnot. You can do some small catering on it. It's not a large cooker. But there's 2 Chainz again. Yeah, loading up now. I don't know why I wasn't loading earlier. But there's 2 Chainz right there checking out one of our pits. And I guess that's about it, y'all. We do folding roofs here. You can see here, folding roof. We built several of these for next year oil field solutions. They loved the first one and ordered at least one or two more after that. One went out just, I think in October 2024, a couple months ago. There's some rentals back there. But folding roof, everything locks in place. That's a big boy pellet cooker, and this is a big 2448 charcoal grill. So they got their smoker with dual hoppers, and then they got their charcoal grill. And on the backside there's 3 heavy duty flat top grill and burners. They have another picture of that, I don't know, let's see. No, I don't show the backside of that, but it's pretty badass. Anyway, that's about it, man. I don't know what else is on my website to show you. We got the contact. Oh, here's more. There's our order policy there. We put everything in writing, limited lifetime warranty. We put our terms and conditions of sale. We don't hide anything. We're very transparent with our orders. Change orders after initial order. That's all explained there as well. Final payments, and then freight charges. Talking about freight. And in terms of receiving product, returns, refunds, photos and videos. I have a lot of customers want me to take photos and videos of their cookers. I'm not going to guarantee I'm going to be able to do that for you or anybody that asks. I'm pretty damn busy. My priority is to get these orders filled, make my customers happy than it is being a photographer and taking pics, especially if you order something that's pretty much on our website. So if you order a Party Gator and you want to know what it looks like, I'm not trying to be a smart ass, but if you ordered a Party Gator and you didn't really customize it with some weird, unique stuff, that's just to you, like artwork and all that, just go to my website, look at the Party Gator, and you can see what yours looks like. Again, I'm not trying to be a smart ass, but I say that because I've had customers like, hey, can you send me a picture of my pit? And I'll pull their file, and it's like, okay, there's not even any customizations to it. It's just a standard pit. And I got, hundreds of photos of that on my pages. So anyway, I'm not knocking my customers, y'all. So y'all don't be hating on me for that. My point is, if you've got a really unique cooker that's customized out, I will definitely send you photos of it before paint and then after paint, before you pick up or before we ship it, because I want to make sure that we've got it all 100% built the way you wanted it and the way you ordered it, and that you're happy with it before we ship it or before you show up from out of state or somewhere and pick it up. That will definitely happen. But if you got just a standard pit like a Party Gator on order and you ask for photos, it's probably not going to happen. I mean, I'll do it if I can, if I think about it in the moment as I'm through the shop, but just don't hold me to it, man. If I tell you no, don't hate on me. Burners and fryers. We got a lot of burners and fryers in here. We got badass fire pits, man. I mean, look at this. This thing's cool, man. This was custom designed, LSU Tigers. Look at the details of that Tiger, man. Just awesome. If you're an LSU fan, call me. I have this on file, man. I can cut you one just like it. We got them in all kinds of different sizes. Again, we use our plasma table to make these. There's a nickname in there, and then deer. That's a kind of we cut these out and then offset them so they look really cool looking, like you see. That's how we get that wow factor, right? You can see how it's kind of offset right there. It's pretty badass. And we got a bunch of different fire pits. You got kind of your basic pits. Here's one here with American flag. In God we trust. You don't have to have that if you don't want it. All these orders have a notes section. So when you order and you say, hey, I don't want the American flag or anything cut out on it, just put it in the note. We'll just cut the plate with nothing on it. Or if you do want custom text, it's right here, $75. I change that. When I say change it, I don't mean removing this and just having plate. I mean say, hey, Rich, I want you to build a fire pit for me, but I want to have my name in it. I want to have my whatever in it. And then it's going to cost you $75. We got to do a CAD file. Somebody's got to do that. It's usually me. Arch Kirk Drought does a lot of my CAD designs. He's very good at it. But that's cool stuff. And you got other fire pits in here that are popular over the years. This insane burner right here, man. I came out with this years ago, and I got tired of them damn cheesy ass store-bought ones. They weigh like 10 pounds, and they won't boil crap. You can't do crap with them. I mean, they're just worthless. And I got tired one day of jackling one I bought at the local sports store here, Academy. I'll just plug their name in there. And it was a Bayou Classic or a King Cooker or some crap like that. And you get what you pay for, right? You buy them for cheap, and they don't last long, and half the time they don't work. And they damn sure don't really get to a boil, at least not the way I cook. So I got tired of that crap, and my son made a comment, Dad, why don't you just make one? So I did. came out with the dual jet, and now we offer it in a tri-jet as well. You can get 3 jet burners in it. This thing runs like 500,000 BTUs. It's insane, which is why we call it the insane dual, the insane jet burner. And it ships for free. It's $425. You may say, wow, that's expensive. Well, compared to the box store crap for, $50 or $39.99, yeah, you're right, but you're never gonna buy another one, and you're never gonna get pissed off at this one when you're cooking. I'm just gonna say it. In fact, you're gonna be like, holy shit, I need to get a thicker pot. What else we got in here? Got the Santa Maria grills. I showed you that one picture of that. But I do have a line of Santa Maria grills. If I can get this thing to load up here real quick. I'm bogging down for some reason. Yeah, here we go. There's some Santa Maria grills there. You can see these. They're comparably priced to what's out there, but I think they're a better quality. So you're going to pay what's out there with other custom builders. Personally, I just think we have a better quality. I mean, we use a 1/4-inch thick steel. A lot of these other builders out there will use a 3/16 thinner wall, or even an 1/8. We're 1/4-inch minimum, and we build these to be commercially used, so we don't have a lot of fancy stuff on it. You're like, well, some of these other ones have fancy mechanisms and all that. Guess what? You're probably going to break down and not work, and then good luck fixing it. We don't have that on our cookers. If you look at Gator Pit smokers or products, man, they're very simple in the mechanisms used on them. And we do that because one thing you don't want to be out in the field somewhere cooking. When I say out in the field, I mean like a commercial gig somewhere, or at your house and you got a party going on and your cookers break. Ours don't do that. So you also got the rubs and sauces I've mentioned right here. You can buy the 5-pack and you get it $12 or $10 off right there. Pretty cool. And it got free shipping. I mean, you can't beat all that, man. And these are quality ingredients using here, fresh ingredients. Our rubs are fresh. They're not sitting on the shelf for months and months and months. You're gonna get this, and it's gonna be fresh rub. And I already went to the barbecue accessories. We have a wash station. This is cool. I came out with this design, probably 20 years ago. It's a Gator mobile wash station. Those that are doing mobile catering, festivals, affairs, and you can order this right here. And now you've got a hand wash sink, a kitchen sink, and it's all self-contained, running water. Hook a generator to it. It's got a RV drain tank in it as well that's portable. You just pull that out and dump that wherever your disposal waste receptacle is, where you're at. Pretty cool stuff. And it's $59.95, and it's basically a mobile kitchen, so it's well worth it. Going back, we have, come on. It is, let's go back to the store here. There we go. We've got, and we even have wild game feeders. Kid you not, they're reasonably priced, man. They're priced with whatever's comfortable out there in size as far as the pounds. This is about a 500 pounder right here, and it's only $799.95. And that includes everything but the battery. So, and we make these about you tell me how many pounds you want, we can make it. And this is again cut with a plasma table. I can make it any size you want, but this is beefy, man. I mean, our feeders are really stout. This is one that's out in a ranch out in the hill country of Texas, and the cows are all up on it, man. They're everywhere on this thing, and we have no problems with it. They haven't destroyed anything. If you look, see if I can show it to you. All the solar panel comes with it. All the wiring is in actual EMT conduit, so the wires aren't exposed on this thing. So when the bucks rub up on it with their antlers, they're not hooking your wires and yanking them out. Cows aren't doing it. Squirrels aren't eating your wires. Pretty cool stuff, man. I mean, we really think our products out. We put a lot of attention into how these are used, how they're abused, and so that you don't have problems when you're out in the field, like I mentioned earlier. But that's about it, y'all. That's our website, gatorpit.net. Check it out. I'm Rich Robin, Gator Pit of Texas. I handle all orders. So give me a call at 713-896-0144. You can email me, info@gatorpit.net. If you're on my website, you can click on the chat right here, and that'll pull up, here, I'll turn this here, so you can see the chat right there, and you can contact me that way as well. I prefer an email at info@gatorpit.net. The emails I get and check regularly. The chat, they're emailed to me, but they're kind of delayed because it goes through the web hosting and all that. So I always like to correspond through email directly, info@gatorpit.net. That's my email. Rich Robin. Again, I'm the owner and founder of Gator Pit of Texas. I started this company back in the early 90s, and we've been going strong ever since. And again, when you call to place an order, if you don't do it online, well, either way, it doesn't matter how you order. I'm going to contact you, whether you're calling me to place an order or ask questions, or if you order online, I'm going to contact you. So within 24 hours of you ordering, you will get a phone call from me, and probably even the email confirming your order as well. So you're only going to deal with me. I don't have salesmen. I have me, Rich Robin. And nobody's going to handle your order. They're not going to supervise your build better than the guy that started the company. And that's me. I'm the designer, and I've got my welding crew out there, my guys. They've been out there. I got 2 welders out there, been with me 18 and 20 years, man. They are exceptionally good at what they do. Very, very good at what they do. So I'm going to give them, I'll commend them right here, man, because I know they follow me as well on social media, obviously, and they're going to see this. And I just want them to know that I appreciate everything they do for me and my customers. They're what makes this happen, turning out these quality products, quality Gator Pits. But give me a call, 713-896-0144. Again, our barbecue class is $329 or $25 right here. You can register that online. You can go to the website and get the information on that. It's down here at the bottom of the site. You can click on event details. You can click here for more details. And that's going to bring you to the barbecue class information. And you can also register. We give discounts to multiple students. So you and your friend want to come, get a discounted price if you do that, or your spouse. Again, we have a 100% satisfaction. These are reviews that we have of people over the years that have taken that class. I don't know, 15, 20 years. I've been doing that a long time, man. Me and Kirk, and we usually have guest pit masters as well. We provide everything. You don't need to bring anything but yourself and an appetite, because you will be eating so much food that by the end of the class, we've had the students almost want to go to sleep. They're so full. And that is no joke, man. Anyway, again, Rich Robin. I know I've said bye a few times, but I keep seeing things on the site that I want to bring to your attention. But check us out, man. Check us out. I'll see y'all later. Thank y'all.